What is going on YouTube? Got another box break for you. It's going to be the Women's Division 2007 Trading Cards WWE. You get one hit per box. So I'm pretty excited. Hoping for like a Kiss card, a relic, or a matte relic, or like a shirt relic or a matte relic. Not the manufactured cards. They have like a medallion and like championship belts and that kind of stuff. So here's the pack. I haven't opened it yet, so as you can see, right there is the hit. It's a thicker card, so I'm hoping it's either a Kiss card or a autograph relic card, but I think the medallions and the remanufactured cards are thick, just like that. So, as you can see, yeah, it's that card right there. So let's go and open this up and see what we get. Alright, so here is the cards. So we got Asuka, another Asuka, pretty awesome. You got Charlotte, Class of Champions. Oh, nice. We got a Ruby Riott, Dana Brooke, Bailey. That's awesome. We got another Asuka. We have another Charlotte. Another Charlotte. We got Tori Wilson. And we got Asuka, which is awesome. We got Alicia Fox. We got Morgan. We got Terry. Another Asuka. We got Nia Jax. Another Asuka. We got Becky Lynch. We got Team Raw with Bailey and Charlotte. And then we have a Bailey, Mandy Rose, another Bailey, another Charlotte, Trish Stratus, awesome, another Bailey. We got Mandy Rose, another Bailey. We got Sasha Banks, Nia Jax, Princess Victoria, Judy Martin. We got Blaze. We got Sasha Banks. We got Brie Bella. We got Amber Moon. We got JoJo. We got Mickie James. We got Tamina. Beth Phoenix. We got another Bailey. We got Nikki Bella. Then we got Charlotte Flair. We have a Mickie James. Nia Jax going against Bailey. Miss Elizabeth. Dash Fuentes. We got Summer Rae, who I haven't seen much on the WWE. We got Alexa Bliss, which is awesome. We have another Asuka. Ooh, we got Carmella. We got Nikki Cross. These cards are pretty cool. It's hard to get some of these other cards. We got Sasha Banks. We got another Charlotte. So yeah, to get her cards is awesome because she's hard to collect. Her stuff's kind of expensive. So we got another Alexa Bliss, Eve Torres. We got a Carmella. We got a Nia Jax. Let's see how far we are from the hit. Oops, we're a couple cards there. So we're gonna flip it to the back. Don't want to see what it is quite yet. We got another Nikki Bella, Lita, Peyton. We got a Clay. These are, I love the throwback cards. They're really nice. Another Nikki Bella. Another Alexa Bliss. Another Asuka. We got Bailey and Carmella. Peyton. Another Alexa Bliss. See how far we are from the hit. As you can see, that thick card right there. That one right there, that's going to be our hit. Kimberly. Oh, I just saw the hit. Renee Young and awesome Alexa Bliss. Let's see what that is. It's gonna be, congratulations, you own an authentic Alexa Bliss University of Florida event used matte relic. So I'm very happy to get this Alexa Bliss. Like I said, her stuff's hard to get, so getting a lot of her base and inserts and then getting her matte relic is pretty awesome. And it's numbered, what is that? Wow. See if I can get that to come up. It's going to be 10 out of 10. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very happy with that. Then we have Lana. Another throwback. Another Asuka, which is awesome. Got a lot of Asukas. Another Asuka. Another Sasha Banks. Another Bailey. And another Alexa Bliss. Wow, so this is kind of like an Alexa Bliss / Bailey box. So this is awesome. I'm very, very excited, especially getting a relic 10 of 10. And it's 1/22/16 authentic matte relic. That is awesome. Cannot be more happy with this box. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, yep, sorry about the long vid. I like to go through the cards. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to pick up another one of these and do another break on them. These are a lot of fun to do. They're kind of hard to find too, because I know they're a retail exclusive, but I've only seen these at Walmart. So they are very, very fun break to open. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, and we will see you next vid. Thanks for watching. Peace.